Congress was all set to move a no confidence motion against CM Biren Singh. How do you see this development?
This should have come many, many months ago. For nearly 21 months, Mr. Biren Singh has been the cause of the problem, has been the reason for continuation of the problem, and is entirely responsible for the conflicted people of Manipur. He should have been removed. At least now better senses prevailed, and I hope peace will return to Manipur. That depends whether the BJP can elect a leader who's acceptable to the ruling party. If they are not able to elect a leader, or not able to agree on a leader, there's no harm in president's rule. Anyway, it is the central government's rule which runs in Manipur. Complete rubbish. When we were there, we brought the conflict under control. Kukis and the Meiteis and the Nagas were beginning to live peacefully. We brought about development. Where was the question of so much shooting and killing in refugee camps? Mr. Biren Singh was part of the Congress government. And he now turns around and says the Congress government is the cause. Mr. Biren Singh is the sole cause of the problem, and I'm glad he has left.